So, we want to tell you guys how Hmong girls lie. And, they lie by how they look. I mean, their makeup. And, like, girls who wear circle lenses and, like, they just totally don't look like themselves. And, like, it's gross. And it's deceiving. Deceiving. I just used deceiving, Yuri. Yeah. I mean, there are so many girls out there who wear so much makeup, and they, like, do this, like,
I know.
every day. Like, they must have, like, take 2 hours on their makeup, Because this took me, like, 3 hours to do. But, like, you can, like, totally tell, like, I put eyeliner, I, like, extended my eyeliner, and extended it back over here, too. And, like, that's not even thick. That's not even thick. That's, like, a centimeter bigger than what my eye really looks like. Oh, an inch, okay? An inch. And, like, I have circle lenses, I have blue circle lenses on. And, I only bought them for this video. I wanted to prove to all the Hmong guys that Hmong girls lie.
Yeah,
okay?
Like, I go to school, like, every day, of course, and then, like, I see these Hmong girls, and they have, like, fake eyelashes, and, like, contacts, like, why do you wear that every day? Why do you spend time doing that, like, every day? I don't get it. You know what I'm saying?
Don't you just hate them?
Yeah.
I hate them.
My name is Xiong.
And I am Xiong. And we just want to tell you guys that girls lie.
Yeah.
I can't believe they put this much makeup on. I even, like, Hmong girls, they even, like, extend their lips.
Show them.
Look at that.
Show them. Push them. Show them.
Gosh. And another thing, they even draw on their noses, okay? They, look, and then they whiten this part of their nose. I mean, you can clearly tell that it's, like, drawn in. Oh, and their cheekbones, too. You see that? It's, like, drawn in to emphasize the cheekbone and where the blush is. Okay, so I'm gonna take one side of my makeup off to see the difference. Okay, just watch. There's gonna be such a big difference. Don't my eyes look? Oh, I gotta take in my eye contact. So I'm gonna take in my eye contacts. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take this one out. Oh my gosh, there's already a big
Look.
I know, look.
It's so dramatic.
It's so, like, such a big change. Okay.
No.
And then let me take the rest off, okay? I think I'm gonna need more than one pad to take this off, okay? Oh my gosh. Isn't that a big difference? That is such a big difference, right?
I know,
it's kind of scary. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Like this side actually looks really scary.
Boogie boogie.
Oh my gosh. Booga booga booga. Oh my gosh.
You know what you said? Booga booga booga.
And I think I'm brave for even taking my makeup off because I know a lot of Hmong girls wouldn't do that. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Hmong guys, just consider if you're going for a girl for their looks, I mean, you might want to reconsider if they have a lot of makeup on or not. But, I mean, if you love them for who they are, then I guess looks don't matter. Okay? But I want to let you girls know, I want to let every one of you guys know that Hmong girls lie, and don't ever be, don't ever, trust a girl with how she looks like, okay? Because it's deceiving. Okay.
Totally.
I use the word again, deceiving.
Good for you!
But, okay.